This year we mark the 200th anniversary of Urdu journalism in India. This is a landmark, and I'm very happy that the Maulana Azad National University, the Department of Mass Communication here, is commemorating this with the aid of an international seminar on the occasion. Urdu journalism has played a pivotal role in informing people, raising consciousness, and most important, has played a very important role in the freedom movement of India. This is something which we need to celebrate. We need to honor those who played this magnificent role, and there is a legacy, and that legacy has got to be perpetuated. And it is for this reason that I feel that this is an occasion, a solemn occasion, an important occasion, which I'm glad that this university has taken upon itself to observe, to celebrate, and to spread the message of Urdu journalism in this country. I wish the occasion all success, and I hope that it will be an inspiration to all journalists in India, regardless of which language they are writing in.